How to send PDF file from WhatsApp to email. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily send PDF file from WhatsApp to email. So let's get started. First, just head over to your WhatsApp application and make sure you are logged into your account. Now in this example, I have this PDF file over here, and if I were to send or share this, what I will do is just long press on it and simply click on this three dot icon at the top right corner just like this and click on this share button. So once you click on this share, you should see there's an option called Gmail, so you can basically tap on that, and you can also choose between whether you want to send mail or chat. So you can, since we are sending our mail, simply select the Gmail option over here, and once you're inside here, you can simply mention the person or email of the person to whom you want to send the file to or PDF file to, just like this. And once you're satisfied, you can simply give it a caption just like this and simply send the file to the particular person. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.